Hey guys, this is the only smoky party jollof recipe you are ever going to need. Right, Eliana?
Yes, mommy.
So Eliana is going to share her recipe with you today. Right here we have some jollof with some beans and vegetables. Take it away, Eliana.
So, first, we get our turkey, put it on the pot, and add some onions. Then we add our pepper. We clean our chopping board, add our salt, add our garlic paste. Then we add our curry, white pepper, and thyme. Then we season with some Knorr cubes and stir. Cover it for a while, let it cook. Now we're going to prepare our tomato paste. First, we need some tomatoes, then some onions, some paprika, garlic, and some ginger. Then we add our carrots and season with Knorr cubes. We pour some peanut oil, stir for a while, and cover it to cook. Now we're going to wash our beans. Put it in the pot, add a little water, and leave it on the stove. You can't forget to add your salt. After 15 minutes of cooking the turkey, we add some water to it, stir it for a while, and then cover it back, and then we check on our paste. Now we are washing our rice. We have to wash until the water is clear. Now we get our turkey out of the pot and grill it in the oven for 20 minutes. Now we're also going to put our rice in with it so that it can also get that smoky flavor. Now we're going to add some sun-dried tomatoes to our tomato paste. We clean our surroundings, wash the plates. Now we're going to blend our paste into a liquid. We're going to blend it until it's smooth. Now we drain our beans, make sure it's clean, check on our turkey, bring it out, and prepare to start cooking the actual rice. Now we add some peanut oil in a pot, add some onions, let it cook for a while, stir it. Then we're gonna add some bay leaves, then curry powder, white pepper, and thyme. Stir it for a while, season with some Knorr cubes. Then we add our tomato paste. Now we add a Tomapep blend. We add a lot of it, more than the tomato paste, and stir for a while. Now we add some turkey broth, stir it, add some salt, add some white pepper, curry, and thyme. Now we stir for a while. Make sure it tastes good. Now we are adding some nutmeg. Now we're covering it. Now we return all our spices. Clean our surroundings. Make sure your surroundings are clean. Now we put the pot with our mixture on the stove. Let it boil for a while. Add the mixture into a bowl. Pour your rice inside it. Stir it. Add a little water. Then we add some Knorr cubes, salt. Then we add our beans. Taste it. Make sure it tastes good. Continue stirring. Add some water and cover it to cook. Then the paste that you put in the bowl, you spread it on your turkey. Next, we're gonna cut some bell peppers. So you remove the core and cut the bell peppers into cubes. You cut yellow, green, and red bell peppers. Now we're cutting some carrots the same way we cut the bell peppers, but this time we're putting it in a different bowl. Now we're doing the onions. We put some butter in a pan, add some onions, add our thyme, curry, and white pepper. We stir it for a while. Add our carrots. Mix it. Add our sweet corn. Mix it. Next, we add 1 Knorr cube. Stir it. Add salt. Stir it some more. Make sure it's crispy. Then you add your bell peppers. Stir it. Now you check up on your rice. It may look a little watery at first, but you stir it for a while. Pour some of the remaining sauce that you had in the bowl on it. Add some onions. Then use your spoon to make some holes in it so that all the smoke can get on top of the rice to make it smoky. So, burn the rice for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you open the pot and stir it. You can feel the smokiness just entering you. Stir it. Lift it. You get to the bottom and make sure it doesn't burn too much. Now you add your vegetable mixture inside of the rice and stir it for a while. You keep stirring. The rice may look like brown at this point.
I know, right? And this is so good. This recipe is the best thing ever, right?
Yes.
It was so delicious, guys. I was so proud of Eliana. She did this. Like, she really killed this. It was like, what? My baby girl did this. How'd you feel?
I feel wonderful.
Right, so this is Eliana's recipe. I have a list of ingredients for you in the caption. You guys make sure to check it out and see you in my next video. Have anything to say? Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay, Eliana is going. Oh, yeah, take care. Love you. Okay, guys, so that's Eliana's recipe. This is the only smoky party jollof rice you would ever need. You could choose to skip the beans, but it's just more nutritious when you add the beans. This rice was amazing. We ate it for like 2 whole weeks because this was like meal prep. Everybody loved it. Daddy, Cheche. And I want you guys to try it, okay? I have a full list of ingredients. Watch the video over and over again so that you can follow the steps and just get the ingredients. You'll be surprised.